Welcome to Reclining Yoga. Sit tall and invite slow, gentle breaths into your body. As you reach one arm overhead, feel the side of your ribs expand, as if your body is quietly waking from the inside. Let the morning soften you. Switch side and allow this first stretch to open the doorway for your day. Slowly release. Interlace your finger behind your head. Let your breath guide the moment as you soften the side of your neck. Release any weight you carried from yesterday. Let it drop slowly so you can step into this morning a little lighter, a little freer. Slowly release. Come onto hands and knees. Begin to draw gentle circle with your spine as if you are releasing the knife from your body. Let each curve, each wave soften the stiffness of the morning. Move slowly enough to feel every part of your back wake up. Switch direction. Stop the movement. Walk your hand forward and make your heart towards the earth. Let the front of your body soften as you breathe into the space beneath your collarbone. Allow your heart to feel supported, held, and safe enough to open. Slowly wake up. Lift your arms and allow your chest to rise with your breath. Feel the front of your body expand into the new day. You don't need to push, just let your body open the way a flower opens to morning light. Hand to the mat. Come into half split. Shift your hips back and breathe into the back of your leg. Let the stretch be soft, patient, and kind. Switch side and moon pose. Arms up. Open your chest. Inhale and exhale. Hand to the mat, half split. You are not trying to reach anywhere. You are simply creating space where your body asking for it. Stand at the top of your mat with your feet together. Come into chair pose, arms at bend knee. Relax your shoulder. Palms touch, twist to your left. Feel the spine lengthen and the breath deepen. Twist to in the morning bring clarity. Switch side. A gentle reset for your body and your thought. Slowly release. Come into revolved wide legs forward bend. Open your legs. Hold forward and let the weight of your head fall freely. Let gravity do the work for you. This is a moment of surrender, a chance to pass and breathe without effort. Hand to the mat, switch side. Slowly release. Come into half spinal twist. Sit tall and let the twist rise from deep within the spine. Use your breath to create space inside your body. This twist isn't about going far. It's about coming home to yourself. Slowly switch side. Slowly release. Lie on your back. Come into reclining bound angel pose. Let your whole body soften into the mat. Allow the breath to move naturally without control. Know that you don't have to be anything this morning. Just here, just breathing, just you. Focus on your breath. Thank yourself for showing up today. See you.